looking at this old car right here. And the question is, does anybody know the story of this old car?
Good morning. What's our adventure today, Stan?
Well, today we're going to go to Jerome. Jerome is an old mining town on the cliffs.
So we loaded up the dogs and we're ready to go. Let's go see what we see. Just found out that you cannot enter this road if you're over 50 feet. It's good information for you RVers out there. Don't bring the trailer up here. Set up and then come up in your little car, your tow car. Go. Entering Jerome, elevation 5246, founded in 1876.
We're looking at this old car right here. And the question is, does anybody know the story of this old car? It's almost like a memorial in a sense, but it has a beautiful stream running by it. Can you imagine the stories this old car could tell? It's obvious. Looks like it had crashed. But who would ever know? Come over here. You know, if you look at these old buildings, look at the old cobblestone that's underneath the asphalt. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
It's like the asphalt actually wore away. You know, the original cobblestone comes out. The old town of Jerome. And I'm smelling something that's really making me hungry right now. What do you think of the food?
It's good. Cheers.
You know what the good, cool thing is?
What?
Is it's dog friendly.
Yeah.
Where are we?
Right here.
All right, we just ate at the Haunted House Burgers. Is that what it's called?
Haunted.
Haunted.
All right, hang on. Haunted hamburger.
Haunted hamburger.
Sure,
Where's the cake?
I'll take it for you.
No, we're good there.
I think our dogs would fight you for this one.
Big dog, little.
Very small. We know they're large. They're extra large.
Have a great day. Okay, there we go. We just had lunch at the Haunted Burgers in Jerome.
Oh God, it's not. It's a haunted hamburger. Oh God. Okay, hurry up.
We just had lunch at the Haunted Hamburger. Great place to eat, guys. Great food. One of the best burgers I've ever had. And you know what? You can bring your dogs on the patio. Great place.
Yeah, they even have puppy patties. So we got a puppy patty for the dogs. Wait, real quick, look at the size of this thing. That's a little more than a puppy patty. So
Boom.
ours we didn't bring because we don't trust them in public places. So we got a puppy patty to go.
Boom.
All right.
All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye. There he is. How you doing?
How you doing? I feel bad because I wish I would have brought my patch, because I see you guys have patches up there.
Yeah, yeah. The only
Okay.
way to get them up there is if you visit here too. So.
Oh.
Look, guys, it's Molly. Where's Molly?
We're following you guys. Molly loves that little girl. Here comes Mom.
Everything everything in Jerome is old. You often wonder how old something is. A lot of these stairs, they go right up to the side of the mountain. Man, we made it.
Gold King Mine, ghost town.